Hey guys, what's going on? Your boy Peter again here on this beautiful day, and today guys I'm going to share with you how to find a profitable niche. Shortly I've been sharing with you on how to create your own affiliate marketing business, and now people be asking me how to find the niche that makes a lot of sales, how to find the niche that makes crashing, because there are a bunch of niches out there, but not all of them of course makes money. There are only few that makes money. So how to find those few niches that makes money? So in this video we are going to find out, and before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit on that notification bell to you don't want to miss out to any of the videos that I share each and every single week. So let's get started. So what is a niche? Depending with where you're coming from, some they call it niche and some call it niche. So I don't know how you call it, but anyway, it is pronounced, it is spelled N-I-C-H-E, niche. And niche is actually the specialized section of products. Of course, there are millions of products out there on the internet, and practically you can promote just anything. You can't sell anything that you found on the internet. You gotta find that specialized section that you say, I'm gonna promote these products. That's called your niche. If you want to promote the DIY cause, that's your niche. If you want to promote the lose weight cause, that's your niche as well. So whatever you're promoting, whatever you're selling on the internet, it is called niche. So if you say I'm going to specialize on this section of products, it is called the niche. So that's basically what niche is about. So the first thing to do to find a profitable niche, the niche that it's already making money out there, is to model other successful affiliate marketers. You don't want to go in a niche that you are the first to start. Like, no matter what, just don't be tempted to take the niche that is never been tapped into. So you don't want to go and find and grab that niche and you'll find that nobody ever knows about it. No matter what, it will take you a lot of time until you make money with it. And you don't want to go to a niche that has been oversaturated, people being in it, and now it's no longer on the market. So you just want to be abreast with the time that you want to go with the niche that is already making sales, it's already active on the market right now. So to do that, you gotta model other successful affiliate marketers. For example, we have John Christian and Franklin Hatchett. Those guys makes millions and millions of dollars each and every single year because they already know the niche that makes money. They spend a lot of money doing research on niches that makes money. So what you can do, you model them, you check on their on how they structure the sales page. You just model everything that they do. And what I do myself, I subscribe to that newsletter, and every time they send me the newsletter, on my email. I check on how they structure the emails, and I follow each and every link that they send to me, and I check on the niche that they're currently promoting. I check on on things that they're selling, and the next thing I go and create my own landing page and copy that email and edit to fit my landing page, to feed my squeeze page. That's how I model them. So I don't see that as something wrong, even though some can be like, oh man, that's like a cheating. But anyway, I find it a good thing to do. So I don't know about you, but modeling other successful affiliate marketers is the best way you can find a profitable niche, because going out there finding the niche by yourself, it will take you a lot of time doing the testing, because you gotta spend a lot of money testing different niches. You go to this niche, have to test it, you find that doesn't make money, you go to the next niche until you find that one niche that makes money. So you better model that niche that other successful entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers are already doing it, and they spend money to research, they spend money trying to find out the niche that makes money. And once they make it, they've also made it for me, they've made it for you as well. And the thing you can do is just to model them, check on how they structure their sales page, check on how they also structure their the squeeze page, and the whole process, just model it and copy it for yourself. And again, you can also promote their stuff. A lot of these successful affiliate marketers, they have their own products that they're selling, and what you can do, you can promote their products, because they're already popular. Everyone knows about them, so promoting their stuff, it gets so easy. So you can just promote the product. So, but in case you don't like promoting the product, what you can do is just to model them, just check on the niche that they are selling, and try to find out how you can find different products and create the landing page and make it the way they do it, model them. That's the best ever. So alternatively, what you can do, you can do your own research, which it will take a lot of time, and sometimes it takes a lot of money. Of course, it takes a lot of money, because you are not that sure that this thing, it will really make money right now, but you have to just to try. So you can do that using the tools like Google Trends or Facebook. Those are the tools that you can use to research the keywords, the interest, because when you find a niche, you must find something. You must find a niche that people are already interested in, and people are already willing to spend money. And how do you find that? You have to check the interest. So to do that, I use Facebook and Google Trends. And just now I'm going to jump down to my computer, and I will show you how to find the interest, the people's interest on specific niche or on certain niche, and you can see if this is a good niche to tap in, this is a good niche to invest your money, this is a good niche to invest your time or not. So the first thing, we're going to start with Facebook. And with Facebook, let me jump down to my computer and show you how. So with Facebook, what you will have to do is to create the business page. You can do this with your own personal page. You just create the business page and go to boosting. You just pretend as if you're boosting a post, or you just want to create the ad. Then what you want to do, you go to edit audience. When you edit the audience, here you can see the default country is it's United States, but you can also add any other. You can add any other country. Let's say you want to target audience in South Africa, you just type South Africa here. If you want to target audience in Canada, you just type Canada. UK, you just type UK. Any country that you want to target, you just type the names here. For example, I can just put South Africa here. I can just put South Africa here, and I add it as a country. Then boom, it is added. So now it means here on this ad, I'm targeting both South Africa and United States, and these are my audience. Then the next thing you want to check is to check the interest. You see here the potential reach so far in United States and South Africa. It's approximately 200 million people that you can reach. So you see these are people, but because now we don't have the targeted niche. So these are just the average people who are using the Facebook. I can say total number of people who are using Facebook. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to detailed targeting. Then in here you can go with the demographics, educational, financial, life, parents, relationship, or work. Then you wanna go to interest. We're checking how many people are interested on whatever that you be promoting. Then on that you can check, let's say so on this case you have to really be specific, be niche specific. You don't have to type the way that is so general. For example, let's say your niche is about the personal mentoring or your personal development. You can just type maybe in here you'll have to type personal development. You type personal development, and you see the interest that people are having the personal development. Some people are just having showing the interest to personal development on its own. And again, here we have people being interested on personal development, and this is actually the demographic. Then what you want to do is to go with this one, personal development books. So meaning in under this niche, people are interested in personal development niche, and you can just add it and check how many actually people are taking this. And as you have added this, you can just go, and now I think with the age you can just choose the age, but 65 is still fine, and the gender it's okay, age is okay, country it's okay, and also here we've narrowed down the interest. Then we can just go back and confirm we can just close this and we confirm this audience. Then boom, here you see the number of people who are actually interested. If you had to boost this for about $25, this is the number of people you will reach, and this is the engagement you will get from this post each and every single day. This is the engagement: 168 to 487 people each day. So this shows that people are actually engaging on this kind of a niche, and you can decide, you can just give it a test. Like I said, this kind of a way doing your own research on the niche, it takes a lot of money, and a lot of time it takes time, because you have to try the niche, you fail, and try another one, you fail, because this does not guarantee that you will really make money. Shows that people are there, but you don't really know if these people are there to buy or are just there to hang out. So you just have to make sure that you test more frequently. So again, we're gonna go to Google Trends. Google Trends is another tool that you can check on your audience. You can check on your niche if it has audience or not. This is Google Trends, and you can see here the searches for the past 12 months have been going high and high, and right now it seems like personal development is ranking very high. Many people are searching about this term each and every single day. And here, if you can see here, it is narrowed down to a specific country. This is United States, and these are the states. So if you want to target down the states, you know that the first 5 states, the states that are interested in this kind of stuff, are interested in this term of personal development. And here you can check these are the related topics, the social media, gender, manufacturing, promotion. So this just giving you the hints of other related topics that might be close to your personal development. And you can see here we have related queries, personal development ideas, personal development goals, and personal professional development. So this is how you will use Google Trends. You just go around searching different terms, and you can also do the comparison if you have another niche that you wanna target. And again, if you wanna change the country, or if you wanna target worldwide, you can just change it in here and put it worldwide, or you put it to specific country. So it doesn't matter. But this is how you do it with Google Trends and Facebook. One bonus tip is to go to Twitter and use the hashtags. With the hashtags, you can check if people are interested in your niche. Are they posting something related to your niche? Are they asking something? Are they asking for help about your niche? That's why you know that this niche has people who are willing to buy. So anyway, guys, I really thank you for watching this video. I hope we meet on the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumb up, meet you in the next video. Cheers.